What up mga subscribers, no? Okay guys, no? Meron tayong mga syempre mga updates po, no, sa ating mahalima, no? And eto, no, panoorin natin yung mga updates sa ating mahalima. And sino pa po ang papanoorin natin, guys, no? A very big shoutout syempre kay Miss O po, guys, no? Very big shoutout kay Miss O. Napanoorin natin yung kanyang mga videos. And unang syempre, itong papanoorin natin, guys, itong yung kailan lang, guys, no? Which is yung Wish Music Awards. I'm pretty sure, guys, alam niyo na po yung mga awards nila na nakuha, no? And yun, guys. And sa mga hindi pa nakakalam, tara panoorin natin, guys. So, and ako, guys, naging updated talaga ako kahit sa live po, guys, no? And yun nga, syempre hindi SB19 na nag-receive, no, ng award, na syempre dahil hindi nila dahil sa scheduling po, guys, di ba? Pero I'm pretty sure, guys, kung may time ang SB19, sila po talaga isa or dalawang member ng SB19 or silang lahat ng ma-attend dyan, guys. Okay, tara panoorin natin to.
SB19 bags a total of 5 awards at the 11th Wish Music Awards. Here's the complete video of SB19 winning 5 awards at the 11th Wish Music Awards.
And the exclusive Ballad Performance of the Year award goes to SB19!
To receive the award on their behalf, we have Miss Leah Gonzalez, Artist Manager, and Gallahan.
Okay, baka sabihin naman yung mga, alam mo yun mga tagilid ng utak. Sabihin na, ay, that's a fan voting yan dahil yun sa mga fans nila, no? Tandaan nyo, guys, no? Yung sa Wish Music Award, and actually, isa sa mga Wish Music Award na sobrang, talaga, sobrang fair po talaga. Dahil hindi lang sa mga voting, kundi mas lamang po yung percentage po talaga ng mga, yung mga judge po, guys. I don't know kung tawag sa mga judge, juries ba, or, juries, or what, no? Basta mas lamang po yung percentage nila, guys, kaya sa mga fans. As in, yung fan voting is napaka-unti lang po, guys, maliban doon. So, dito makikita na yung mismong mga mismong mga music artists, mga legends po talaga, mga composers po talaga nakaka-appreciate sa art and kung paano gumawa ng kanta talaga ang SB19.
East Marketing Promotions Manager.
Hi Wishers! Happy New Year! Maraming salamat po on behalf of SB19, Pablo, Josh, Telker, and Justin. Of course, One's Entertainment, maraming salamat. Wish Music Awards, GMJ, Direct Arnold, maraming salamat. Sony Music Philippines, Miss Ross, Mama Sony, Miss Maan, Cholo, Raisa, maraming salamat. Of course, our team, One's Entertainment, dala-dala namin kayo dito, Onesie. Of course, our co-producer here for Time, Circes. Maraming salamat for this award. Yung Time, nung narinig namin siya, alam namin na etong song na to ay makaka-touch ng maraming puso. So maraming salamat sa award na to, Wish Music. Thank you so much.
There. The exclusive Pop Performance of the Year award goes to SB19!
Damn!
To receive the award on their behalf, we have
Tanong
Miss
si
Leah
Pablo.
Gonzalez, Artist Manager, and Gallahan East, Marketing Promotions Manager.
Wishers! Maraming salamat! 18! Maraming salamat!
Ikaw naman.
Maraming salamat sa lahat na nakinig ng DAM. DAM is about overcoming our challenges, and as Filipinos, we continue to pursue and be resilient with our different problems. Same with SB19, and we're so honored to receive this award. Thank you so much.
Thank you, 18! Thank you, Wish Music!
And the
Ano na?
Wish Pop Song of the Year
Pop Song of
is
the Year.
Dunka SB19!
To receive the award on their behalf, we have Miss Leia Gonzalez, Artist Manager, and Gallahan East, Marketing Promotions Manager.
Kung di mo to gusto, maabutin mo!
Yes! Maraming salamat, Wishers! Thank you so much again on behalf of Pablo, Josh, Tel, Ken, and Justin. Maraming salamat on behalf of 1Z Entertainment. Maraming salamat, Wishers. Thank you, Wish Music Awards. Maraming salamat. I remember performing Dunka sa first ever stopover music. Maraming salamat, Direct
Sila yung unang gumawa nun.
GMJ, maraming salamat for being so open and collaborative sa idea ng Dunka sa first ever stopover. I remember asking them if pwede kaming mag-perform sa taas ng Wish. But for safety purposes, hindi yun pwede. Kaya ang ending, nag-perform po kami sa scaffolding. So maraming salamat. Thank you, 18! Maraming salamat. Thank you, Sony Music. Thank you,
So, in-attempt pala nila mag-perform sa ibabaw ng bus, no?
Rad
So, ending
Kids,
sa scaffolding
nag-produce
sila.
ng song na Dunka. Thank you, Coach
Siyempre, for
Jay,
safety for
sa gumawa
purposes
ng
din.
choreography. Thank you everybody. Thank you sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa SB19. Maraming salamat po.
Look at that, no? Breaking boundaries po talaga, guys, ng SB19. Pero nyo, kung walang SB19, no, hindi magkakaroon ng ganun na sa Wish Bus. Kumbaga, magpe-perform sila outside and then yung mga ganung klaseng bagay, no. So, masanay lang tayo sa nasa loob lang ng bus na kumakanta, no. So, ang SB19 talagang napaka-creative ng utak, napakalawak ng utak, talagang kumbaga sa kahon, pilit sila lumalabas sa kahon po talaga.
And the Wish Song Collaboration
Tatlo sila.
of the Year is...
Pangapat na.
may umaaligid. Sarah Geronimo and SB19!
To receive the award on their behalf, we have Miss Leia Gonzalez, Artist Manager, and Gallahan East, Marketing Promotions Manager.
I am here with me, the management of Sarah Geronimo, Zachi, and Chance. Go.
Thank you. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. We would like to accept this award in behalf of Sarah Geronimo and SB19. First, we would like to thank Wish for creating such an amazing platform for truly celebrating Filipino music. Umaaligid is a song that conveys a powerful message. It is an awareness for disinformation and mass manipulation. Sa Popsters and sa 18,
Popsters.
maraming salamat po
Diyan
sa
kay
inyong
Sarah
suporta, not just for the song but also for the wonderful artists behind it. And of course, sa team behind Umaaligid, the songwriters, Tyro and Jose, of course, the producers, Rad Kids, Kuya Productions, Adam, Sarah Geronimo, as well as Emil, our mixing and mastering engineer po. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And of course, yung choreographers then behind Umaaligid, Coach Jim, Coach Jay, and Ira Kasim. And I just want to say that this collaboration by Sarah Geronimo and SB19 reflects what we believe in G Music. G Music continues to champion creative freedom
G-Music
and
yung
purpose-driven music. Maraming salamat po.
Company ni Sarah Geronimo, no, pagdating
We'll
sa...
be handing out a
Ano tayo
special
siya sa
award.
sarili niya, eh.
That's right. And we're giving
Panglima na.
it to the artist who garnered the highest number of votes across all categories.
And the Wisher's choice is
Grabe SB19.
To receive the award on their behalf, we have Miss Leia Gonzalez, Artist Manager, and Gallahan East, Marketing Promotions Manager.
Maraming salamat po ulit, Wizard's Choice Award. Thank you so much.
This award is not just for SB19 but all 18! Maraming salamat sa inyo! Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, wala kami rito, and most especially SB19. Let's continue to support Filipino pop music and of course, SB19. Thank you!
Thank you so much.
Very well deserved na. So, Wish-exclusive ballad performance time. Wish-exclusive pop performance dam. Wish pop song of the year doon ka. Wish collaboration of the year. Song collaboration song of the year. Umaligid Wisher's Choice SB19. No? So, guys, tandaan nyo guys, ulitin ko sa mga hindi naka-iintindi, no? Yang dyan guys, na hindi lang po yan sila nanalo dahil sa mga boto, sa mga votes, no? Nanalo po sila dahil po meron din pong mga veteran composer, songwriters, music producers na nagja-judge po dyan guys. Sila po yung sumasala, sila po yung in charge kung sino ang mananalo po dyan, no? And Wish-exclusive is a very big platform, a very big company, no? Yun, napakalaki nila talaga guys, no? Para gumawa sila ng isang bagay na ikakasira ng pangalan po nila, no? So, I think guys, hindi naman nila sisirain yung pangalan nila, no? Na alam mo yun, pera-pera lang no? Hindi nila sisirain yung pangalan nila guys, no? So, I'm pretty sure guys, kaya yung mga ibang mga artists dyan, like Sarah Geronimo, Forbes Spades, Cup of Joe, andyan pa kay Apo Hiking Society, mga legends of OPM po talaga guys, no? Lahat nandyan, no? Nagtitiwala sila sa Wish-exclusive and umaattend sila, no? Kasi pag halimbawang hindi na pumunta yan sa mga ganyang klaseng awards yung mga artists na yan, mga banda, o mga performers, or kung sino man, no? Ibig sabihin lang yan guys, no? Is alam nilang may something na nangyayari na parang, ay, lutuan, no? May mga gano'n. Pero guys, kung nakikita pa natin sila dyan, ibig sabihin, napaka-fair po talaga ng Wish-exclusive na hindi sila nagpapaano sa mga ganong klaseng bagay na sa botohan lang nanalo, sa botohan ng mga fans, sa, pangit man sabihin, pero alam ko hindi nangyari yung mga pera-pera guys, no? And I'm pretty sure guys, hindi ganun ng Wish-exclusive, no? So, kaya magandang pangitain ba? Kumbaga magandang ibig sabihin lang yan guys, na kaya may marami tayong mga nakikitang artist, mga OPM legends po, nasa Wish pa rin po umattend sa mga events, concerts, or kung ano mang mga events nila, no? Dahil po sa napaka-fair nilang judgment po talaga, no? So yun na guys, a very big congratulations ulit sa SB19, sa buong 18 guys, no? Sa lahat ng 18, sa lahat po ng mga taong sumusuporta sa SB19, no? Maraming salamat dahil nasa tamang landas po kayo kung susuportahan niyo po ang SB19, no? So I think 2026 year po ng SB19 ulit yan. Actually yearly, no? Year talaga ng SB19, no? At the same time, suportahan din natin ang musikang Pinoy guys, no? And just like na kung paano suportahan ng SB19, suportahan din natin ang musikang Pinoy, no? So ayun lang guys, maraming salamat, no? Kindly leave a like, subscribe, and kindly ring the notification bell para alam nyo po pag ako nag-release ng bagong video. So this is Point of Pen signing out. Peace! Bless you!